chasing highs to stay alive. But if I'm with you, I'll survive. So hold me close into the night, 'cause I need you to stay. You take me to paradise, that's why it's hard to wait.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for coming back to another clean with me video. Today's video is just going to be a basic clean with me. This is kind of similar to the last video I released, but it's a little bit messier today. My stove is a complete disaster. There's dishes all over the sink as usual. But let me walk you around and show you the mess that I have today, and let's see if I can get some before and after shots. So here is my kitchen. It's my tripod. I actually have some music going right now. Well, not right now, it's turned off because of copyright. But these are all the dishes that need to be done. I should probably put this away so it doesn't get like stuck in here. I'm gonna put, well, this needs to get dried and put away. Out here, Shiloh has some stuff she needs to get put away. There's a random banana on the table. Her school stuff needs to be organized, but that's up to her to do. There's some money on the table, her diary. Still hasn't been donated. Out in the living room, we have Lily. Say hi, Lily. You're such a pretty girl. Couch is a mess as always. Table is a mess as always. Could use some dusting today. Shoes could be put away. Pharaoh is in the window. Hi, big boy. You want to say hi? Say hi. He is my big, dirty-faced orange. My mom actually found him at a taxi company. You're so pretty. That's a handsome cat, Pharaoh. You know you're not allowed up there. What are you doing? Boom, bless you. Bless you. Those aren't real. Yeah, that is my messy house. I know it's not too bad today. I'm not gonna go upstairs or anything and clean up there just because I just did that a few days ago. The stairs I might get done and vacuum. We'll just see how much time I have, and once again it all depends on the rest of the household because what time is it? It is currently 4:11, so I might dinner can't talk. I might make dinner with you guys. I might make like a nice stir fry or something and then clean up after dinner. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button. It really means a lot. It really helps my channel grow. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I love you guys all so much. You guys have supported me through all of this, and it just truly means a lot to me. So before we begin, I do want to mention that I did not actually end up having time to get into the living room and clean, so I will do that for Sunday's video. But anyways, I'm just gonna go in and get these dishes done. As always, I need to start dinner very soon, as I mentioned, and I really hope you guys enjoy today's video and get up and get cleaning with me. If you are cleaning along with me, let me know down in the comments below. Also, what are you making for dinner tonight? Let me know.
One another, guess that we're wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you so long. I met you in the
I would have to say one of my biggest accomplishments over the course of the pandemic, and this is big for me because I didn't think I'd actually be able to do it, was installing this sink sprayer. Now, this seems like a very simple task, but let me tell you a story. While I was installing it, I realized that the previous faucet did not actually have a sprayer nipple. So I had to buy a whole new faucet system, install it, and then I realized I was missing a sink installer tool. So I had to go out and buy that. This project took like 2 days to do, and I'm so happy I got it done. I absolutely love my sink sprayer. It makes washing dishes so much easier. Also, it makes water fights a lot easier as well.
I'm so alone. I met you in the You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge?
For today's video, obviously I'm doing just basic cleaning and tidying up. For Sunday's video though, I think I'm gonna get a little more down and dirty and kind of like get under my stove potentially, maybe clean out the door frames because there is a ton of just kind of dry dirt in between my door frames. But for today, I'm just gonna be sweeping up. I'm not gonna be washing any floors. But if you guys need that extra extreme deep cleaning motivation, let me know down in the comments below and I will make sure to get all down and dirty and get all the grimy stuff. For the dining room cleaning, I am just basically wiping down tables and getting everything all ready for dinner. I wanted to go wash the cups, wash the cup placemats, and just kind of get everything sanitized because, like I said, I am going to be cooking. For dinner today, I decided to make a teriyaki vegetarian dinner. It had broccoli in it, it had sugar snaps, carrots, zucchini, and it was so good. And then I also made some sweet sticky rice, and my family was so happy with today's dinner.
How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Try to be cool, even wear that shirt you wanted to. My friends think I'm lame. Since I met you, I am not the same. It was not meant to be a fairy tale with a...
This is one of my favorite recipes to make. If you guys are interested in some more cook and cleans with me, please let me know down in the comments below or message me over on Instagram. I have been a vegetarian for 11 years now, and my daughter is vegetarian, Jerry is vegetarian, and I just have tons and tons of vegetarian and vegan recipes, as well as just dairy-free in general because I don't eat dairy, but I'm not necessarily vegan. But if you guys are interested in some more recipes, let me know down in the comments below. Let's talk about this rice cooker though. This rice cooker Jerry got me for Christmas. It is all the way from Japan. It is one of the most common rice cookers in Japan, and it was the best gift I ever got. For this rice cooker, what you do is obviously buy rice, not instant rice. You wash it, which is what I was doing. If you guys want a tutorial on how to wash like actual non-instant rice, let me know. But what you do is you basically just measure out your rice, you measure out your water, and then you pick settings. Another good thing about it is when you are setting the settings, it beeps, and when it's done, it sings. I didn't get that on video though, which I'm really disappointed. I have posted it on my Instagram stories below though.
You made me come undone. Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
For a while, I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go.
So another thing about the recipes, not only are they vegetarian slash vegan slash dairy free, they are also super healthy for you and they are great for weight loss. I always include tons of vegetables compared to like carbs and stuff like that. So like the biggest portion for me and for my family would be the vegetables. So that is also a plus. I am on a weight loss journey. If you guys are interested in me posting about that on here, let me know, because I thought about making another channel for it, but I don't know if people really want to watch me lose weight, so there's that. I know I post about it over on Instagram, so if you're not following me over there, I will leave my handle down in the description box below. Anyways, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me in another Cook and Clean with me. If you guys got tons of motivation, please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing. It truly helps my channel grow. As I mentioned before, I truly appreciate every single one of you, and just for supporting me, leaving me lots of comments. I love reading your comments. I do reply to every single one of my comments. So if you guys are interested in more recipes, more cleaning videos, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you guys all in my next video, which will be on Sunday. I'll try to get like a bonus upload up just because I have some extra time, but we'll see. But for sure on Sunday. Bye.
It was never